A volcano erupts and grounds flights. A ship wedges sideways and blocks a canal. A factory 2 tiers down your supply chain, one you have never heard of, catches fire, and suddenly your production line stops. The last few years taught everyone a brutal lesson. Disruption is not a rare event you can ignore. It is a constant. And the question is not if, but when, and whether you see it coming. I am Maya, and today we talk about using AI to spot the storm before it hits. This is AI for supply chain risk and resilience. Let us start with the core problem, because it is a problem of sight. Risk in a supply chain is mostly invisible until it is too late. The disruption is often building for days or weeks. A supplier quietly sliding into financial trouble, a port slowly congesting, a political situation deteriorating. But the information is out there in the world, scattered across thousands of news sources, weather feeds, and reports. Far too much for any human team to monitor. So the first real disruption signal most companies get is a missed delivery. By then, you are not managing the risk, you are managing the crisis. The whole game is to move that detection earlier. This is what AI does brilliantly, and the first move is continuous risk monitoring. Imagine an AI that never sleeps, constantly scanning the entire world for threats to your specific supply chain. It reads global news in every language, watches weather systems near your suppliers and ports, tracks geopolitical events, monitors the financial health of your vendors, and cross-references all of it against your actual supplier and shipping footprint. When something relevant starts brewing, a storm forming near a key port, a strike threatened at a supplier's region, it flags it, often days before the impact reaches you. That head start is everything. It is the difference between calmly rerouting a shipment in advance and scrambling after it is already stuck. The second move is one of the most powerful and most neglected, and it is multi-tier risk visibility. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You probably know your direct suppliers, your Tier 1. But do you know their suppliers, your Tier 2, and their suppliers, Tier 3? Most companies are blind beyond the first tier, and that's exactly where the nastiest surprises hide. The component that stops your line often fails 3 levels down at a sub-supplier you didn't even know existed. AI helps map and monitor these deeper tiers, illuminating the hidden dependencies, so you can find the single small factory that, unknown to you, half your products secretly rely on. You cannot protect against a risk you cannot see, and AI extends your sight down the chain. Think about how often this is the real story behind a famous shortage. A car maker cannot build cars, and the world blames chips. But trace it down, and the true choke point is one tiny plant making one specialized material that almost every chip supplier quietly depends on. No single buyer saw it because it was 3 or 4 tiers away from them. That's the kind of hidden, concentrated dependency AI is built to surface, before it becomes a headline, and before it becomes your problem. The third move is prediction and early warning. Beyond watching for external events, AI learns the subtle signals that predict trouble. A supplier whose on-time delivery is slowly drifting, whose response times are lengthening, whose quality is quietly slipping. To a human, each signal is too small to notice across hundreds of suppliers. To an AI watching the patterns, it is an early warning that this supplier is heading for a fall, months before they actually fail. You get the chance to act, to diversify, to build a buffer while you still can. And the fourth move is response. And this is where risk connects to something we have already met, the digital twin. Spotting the risk is only half the job. The other half is knowing what to do. AI, often working through a digital twin, lets you wargame your response. The storm is coming for this port. What is the best reroute? This supplier is failing. Which alternate can absorb the volume, and what does it cost? You don't just get an alarm. You get tested options, ranked, so you can act decisively instead of guessing under pressure. Detection plus rehearsed response. That's real resilience. Let me make it concrete. The old way. A key supplier goes bankrupt. You find out when they stop answering the phone and your parts stop arriving. Now you're in full crisis mode, frantically searching for an alternate, paying premium prices, your line down, weeks of disruption. The AI way. Months earlier, the system noticed that suppliers' financial signals deteriorating, their payment behavior, their delivery slipping, their public filings, and quietly flagged them as rising risk. You had already qualified a backup and shifted some volume across. When they finally fail, it's a shrug, not a catastrophe. Same event, completely different outcome, because you saw it coming and you had rehearsed the response. Now, here's the strategic shift underneath all of this. For years, supply chains optimized for one thing above all: efficiency. The leanest, cheapest, just-in-time chain wins. Then the disruptions came, and everyone discovered that the leanest chain is also the most fragile. The new game is balancing efficiency with resilience, being cost-effective and able to absorb a shock. AI is what makes that balance possible, because it lets you see and price your risk precisely, so you can add resilience exactly where it matters most, your most critical, most vulnerable flows, instead of expensively buffering everything. You stop choosing blindly between cheap and safe, and start engineering the right trade-off. But let me be honest about the limits. First, false alarms. An oversensitive system that cries wolf at every distant thundercloud will train your team to ignore it, so tuning matters enormously. Second, the truly unpredictable. AI is excellent at spotting building risks and known patterns, but a genuine black swan, a sudden unprecedented shock, may give no warning at all. The goal is not to predict everything, that's impossible. It's to catch the large and growing share of risk that is actually foreseeable, and to be more prepared for the rest. And third, as always, data. Monitoring deeper tiers and external signals needs data and connections you may not have yet, and building that visibility is real work. And the human is utterly central here. AI surfaces the risk and lays out the options, but deciding how much resilience to buy, when to pull the trigger on a backup, how to weigh a low-probability, high-impact threat, that's human judgment about risk appetite and strategy. AI makes you informed and early. It doesn't make you fearless or relieve you of the call. The best risk programs pair a tireless AI watchtower with sharp human decision makers. So how do you start? A few moves. 1. Get visibility of your Tier 1 risk first, monitoring the financial and operational health of your direct suppliers before you go deeper. 2. Map your critical dependencies. Identify the handful of suppliers and lanes that would hurt the most if they failed, and focus your risk sensing there. 3. Connect detection to a plan, because an alert with no rehearsed response is just anxiety. Pre-plan your moves for your top risks. And 4. Treat resilience as a portfolio. Accept you cannot protect everything equally, and invest your protection where the risk times the impact is highest. Be deliberate, not paranoid. Because here's the bigger picture. In a volatile world, resilience is no longer a cost. It's a competitive advantage. When the next big disruption hits, and it will, the companies that saw it coming and had a plan will keep serving customers while their rivals are scrambling. They win the market share. They earn the trust. AI is what turns resilience from a vague aspiration into a concrete daily capability, an early warning system wired into your whole supply chain. So let's lock it in. Disruption is constant, and risk is mostly invisible until too late. AI changes that with continuous worldwide monitoring, multi-tier visibility into the suppliers behind your suppliers, prediction of trouble from subtle signals, and rehearsed response through digital twins. Underneath is the new balance of efficiency and resilience. Mind the false alarms and the true black swans. Keep the human on the judgment, and start with your most critical dependencies. This is Territory 5 of the 5, where AI is transforming the supply chain. If you want to build a real early warning capability, our full course at Supply Chain AI Pro walks you through it, and the free resources are linked below. I am Maya. Stop reacting to crises. Start seeing them coming. I will see you in the next one.